You got the wrong guy. I'm the dude, man.
Hey y'all, welcome to the video. My name's Steve. This is the Dude Flips. We're about to hit some garage sales. Let's get into it.
Yeah, my family had them. Had like 3 or 4 of them.
Her brother had them in her life.
Yeah. Yeah, they're pretty cool. I have a road bike too. That's a nice road bike.
Yeah.
How much are these?
I think, believe it or not, she wanted 400 for the setless.
Of these?
Look them up on Google.
400 for the set of the dolls?
Look it
What
up
about
on
these
Google.
ones?
Same thing.
400? 400?
Look it up on Google and see what they call.
Okay. Oh shoot, what's this? All kidding aside, these do have some value. I asked her if she would take any less, and she told me she actually wanted 500 and wouldn't budge. If you want eBay prices, just go sell them on eBay. 99% of us don't want to pay eBay prices at garage sales.
Yeah, we can run them real quick if we're done. No problem.
Okay.
Run it around the corner.
Oh, okay.
Do you have anything you want to carry to this?
No, I
Cindy,
You got your bag.
brought a little bag.
there's not more.
I don't think I want to carry this.
Those are 10.
All right, we'll be right back.
Let me show you one more
These
thing.
are 5. Would you like a bag?
Did you see my little angel lamb?
You are so clever. Those are just so clever.
And the chicken carrying a snowball.
Okay, well this gives me a couple. Maybe I'm not going to give him as many of these as I thought, right? I might be holding a couple. Oh, yeah.
Sure. Okay. That's great.
Are you able to check the prices with that?
Mhm.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes with the
Is that
image.
one of those scanning apps?
This is eBay.
Oh, eBay.
Yeah.
Huh.
Tells you like how much it's selling
Yeah, how much
online
they can
for.
sell it for.
Yeah.
Did it come up?
I didn't on eBay. On Amazon, this came up, but it said out of stock, so it wouldn't.
Oh, then they'll give you.
No,
the
you couldn't
price.
buy it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's just a good brand. That Schleck,
Mhm.
German.
Yeah.
Well, started in Germany. It's all made in China now.
Yeah.
Yeah,
True.
it's designed in Germany.
If I bought all
Bunch of them.
that stack,
All that?
how much do you think you can give me for?
Yeah, you gotta have a CD player.
6 on that.
Joy was
Between
alive.
Men, Buckskin Frontier. My gosh, you got it. Was this your dad?
Is it like 20
I
bucks?
don't know where we got it.
Oh,
Wow, that's worth it.
that's interesting.
That sounds good.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
We can do that.
Sweet.
I'm gonna get it.
I
You know why?
appreciate
'Cause
it.
my cousin Kai loves
Sure.
stuff like that. I'm gonna get it.
Good luck reselling.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hope it works out for you.
My poor friend here, she's just been giving me all this money.
okay.
Take the stack here.
Oh, I
Do you
do.
want a couple of bags?
No, you do it this way. Look.
I'll just take it like that.
Okay.
Tell me my business, devil woman.
Growing up, my mom. I think so.
Is that extra? Is that XL? Large? They're in? They're in, yeah.
How much are the shirts? No.
Well,
Did she seriously just throw that shirt in front of me?
It's not to wear it out because it's not a shirt. A long sleeve.
Okay.
That's gonna be 4.
4? Large. Look at that. 4.
No.
I got 4 shirts and the jacket.
$8.
That's 5. I got some ones here somewhere. 2, 3.
What's under $1 do you think?
The big table over there.
That's 3, I think.
Thank you.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. Have a good one. So these are the 2 shirts that I got from that sale. This one goes for maybe $100. I'd be willing to take an offer, but yeah, it's a decent shirt. But this one, on the other hand, is cool on the front, but if you look on the back, it's signed by a bunch of Selena's family, a bunch of the actors, band members, the director of the movie on the back. Now, I don't have any authentication on it, but it would be hard to fake something like this. And I compared a lot of the autographs to ones I found online, and they all look legit. The price on something like this is kind of an unknown. I put it for $1,500, and I've been lowering it, and it is now $800. But if I get anywhere close to that, I'd be super happy. This is just one of those things you don't find every day, and it's super cool. Alright, y'all, thanks for watching that. Had a lot of fun. Got some cool stuff. If you like videos like this, you can like and subscribe if you want. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace out.
You're still here? It's over. Go home.